Today, we're diving into the world of culinary convenience with the COSORI Air Fryer 9in1, a compact yet spacious 6-quart marvel designed to revolutionize your kitchen experience. With its advanced turbo blaze technology, this air fryer ensures lightning-fast cooking, allowing you to whip up delicious family meals in mere minutes. Offering 9 versatile cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, and more, it serves as the perfect alternative to traditional ovens and microwaves. The 5-fan speed airflow system guarantees unbelievably delicious results, delivering golden, crispy, and juicy textures with up to 95% less oil, so you can indulge in your favorite fried foods guilt-free. Plus, with over 100 in-app recipes complete with nutrition facts, managing your diet has never been easier. Its customizable preheat program and dishwasher-safe components make cooking and cleaning a breeze, while the wide temperature range from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit covers all your culinary needs. Included with the air fryer are a 6-quart nonstick basket, crisper plate, and a chef-inspired recipe book to spark your culinary creativity. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.